If you're like me, you probably rely on a water filter that looks like this one from Brita. There really isn't anything wrong with this. I've been using them for the past couple of years. But recently, I was sent a countertop water filter by Simpure, and that has changed everything for me. The specific water filter that I'm reviewing inside this video has a two-step filtering process. It filters inside the machine first, and then as the water comes out of the machine, it filters through another filter on top of the glass pitcher. And inside this video, I'm going to show you how it works, and we'll be doing some testing to see if it's really better than my Brita filter or tap water for that matter. Inside the box, you have the Simpure, you have the manuals, a glass pitcher, a filter that goes on top of the glass pitcher, and finally a drip tray. Setup for a device like this is extremely simple. You plug it in, remove the sticker from the filter, put it on top of the glass pitcher, and then install the drip tray. After you fill it up with water, it's all set up and ready to use. As soon as you plug it in, it will start the filtering process. You can then select how much water you want to filter, either 12, 16, or 36 ounces. And we also have a reset button. So I will go ahead and click on 36 ounces and time it to see how long it will take for the filtering process to occur. After just over 25 seconds, we have water pouring out. That was way faster than I expected. After just about 5.5 minutes, it has completed the 36 ounces. I then tested it out using the 12-ounce mode, and it took 1 minute and 30 seconds. And the 18-ounce mode was just slightly longer at 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So what that tells me is expect about 1.5 minutes for 12 ounces, 2.5 minutes for 18, and close to 5.5 minutes for 36 ounces. After testing out the times, I did a comparison between some tap water that I poured into a glass and the water that was just purified. The glass on the right is the one that comes from the Simpure, and the glass on the left is the tap water. I noticed a little bit of a difference between the clearness just by first glance. The Simpure definitely looked less cloudy than the tap water on the left. When it came to the taste test, I was pleasantly surprised with the taste of the water from the Simpure. It had a much cleaner taste compared to tap water. Overall, I was really surprised with how easy it was to operate the Simpure. There's barely any setup involved, and all you have to do is press a button for how much water you want filtered at any given time, and it does it. And it probably wasn't the fastest filter out there, however, it did do it in a reasonable amount of time. But the thing that I was most impressed about was the taste of the purified water. It tasted much better than my Brita filter and a whole lot better than tap water, which is why I can confidently say that I would recommend this if you're interested in taking your purified water game to a new level. If you're interested in checking out the current pricing, I'll go ahead and leave an Amazon affiliate link down below inside the description. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.